Welcome to my little country kitchen, friends. My name's Marianne. Today we are going to be preserving a whole bunch of cherry tomatoes. I've never seen this many from my garden. I mostly have these as opposed to big tomatoes. Some of my other big tomatoes were only this size, so kind of like golf ball. A little sad, but anyway, lots of cherry tomatoes. I'm going to make a dish with them. Let's get going for dinner tonight. Now that the tomatoes are all prepared, now this was about 2 pounds of tomatoes. I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil, just a coat. Toss. You can do fresh garlic. I already have this minced garlic that I want to use up. Salt and pepper to taste. And you can add chilies or a dash of red pepper flakes. I do have some jalapenos from my garden, but they're too hot. So, and then you can either do that. Normally, if this calls for feta, but I don't have any feta, so I'm going to use just some cream cheese. All right, 2 blocks like that. And then when it comes out, we can add a handful of fresh basil that I got from my green stock garden. I'm going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to put it on broil for about 5 minutes, just until the tomatoes blister. We'll be back. But in the meantime, I'm going to warm up my bread. And if you have stale bread, kind of old, I can't even squish this, it's too crunchy. What I did was I wet it. It's a pretty good wet, like under the sink, drench. And I warmed it up for 5 minutes in my air fryer or just oven. Nice and soft. It's like brand new again. Yeah. So this is what it looks like when it came out all nice and bubbly and squishy. Then you just mix it all up. I did add some Gouda as well to get it some more melty cheese. Okay, get a piece of bread, get some of this good stuff on there, spread it on. Okay, let's take, ooh, I did chop up some bacon and some basil. Okay, let's taste it. You taste it. Basically a warm crostini with tomato and melty cheese. I added bacon and basil. Do you think the tomatoes need to be roasted more? No?
No. That basil's really strong.
It's because it's at the end of the season. It started to flower.
It's like way overpowering.
Okay, so the teeny bit of basil.
Yes, just a tiny bit.
Okay. But
that
yummy?
was actually really good.
Well, there's more. I had like 4 more slices of French bread, so
Okay.
that's what's for dinner.
Alright.
Yummy, huh?
I do. It's really good.
if you add some chicken, then this will be a really awesome dinner. And it's really yummy on chicken, steak, or hamburgers. Thank you for joining me. We will see you next time. Happy day. Check out the recipe below.